This video is going to look at how to solve multiple step inequalities. What you're basically going to do is you're going to solve these the same way that you would solve equations. You're going to get the variable alone by itself on one side. To do this, I'm going to start with the number farthest away from the variable, which is -3. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides, and I'm left with 5y is less than 5. To get the y alone, I need to get rid of that 5. So I'm going to divide by 5, and I'm left with y is less than 1. Now I'm going to graph it. 1 is my focus number. I'm going to put one number more and one number less. So I'm going to circle my focus number, and because the variable is on the left, I can follow the direction of the variable and shade in everything on that side. So it's anything under 1, but not 1. I'm going to look at one more example. Let's say we have 7 minus 2w is less than or equal to 27. The first thing I want to do is I want to get rid of that 7. Because this is a positive 7, I want to subtract 7 from both sides, leaving me with -2w is less than or equal to 20. I need to get rid of that -2. Because I need to get rid of that -2, I'm going to divide by -2 on both sides, leaving me with w and -10. But I have to be careful. Because I'm dividing by a negative, anytime you multiply or divide by a negative sign, this sign is going to flip the opposite direction. Because if I had 3 and 5, 3 is bigger, or 3 is less than 5. But if I multiply times -1 on both sides, I get -3 and -5. -3 is actually bigger than -5, so this sign switches. So I have to show that here. Now that I have my final answer, I can graph it. So I have -10, -9 is one bigger, -11 is one smaller. Because the variable is on the left, I followed the direction of the arrow. If the variable had been on the right, I would have to reverse it. My focus number is -10. I'm going to follow the direction of the arrow. Because of this equal sign, I'm going to shade in the -10 as well, because w could be -10, but it could also be greater than -10.